Hello, in front of me I've got CAT S75. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Security. Go to Screen Lock, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with none. And now let's go to the second non-security screen lock, which is swipe. Now when it's done, let's select pattern, PIN, and to create PIN, add at least 4 digits. Tap done, and use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select password, and to create password, enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. And use it to unlock the phone. Once it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock, which is our first biometric. Tap more, agree, and now touch the sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now tap done, and use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select Face Unlock, Setup, and to save your Face ID, scan it in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.